Yes, from Muticho Ward, from Boikanga Ward, Mheshimiwa Achira, from Muticho, Mheshimiwa Okombo, from Boikanga Ward, Mheshimiwa Mauti, from Bogetenga Ward, and Mheshimiwa Joseph, from Getenga Ward. And with us also are senior civil servants from South Mugrango and other from other areas. So it's not a South Mugrango issue. We have the CC for environment, water, Mheshimiwa Nyakweba. So today we're here to make something very clear. And my name is James Ntabo, the County Secretary and Head of Public Service. Yesterday we had an ugly incident at Nyamarambe, Nduru level 4 hospital, where our officers who were sent to go and ferry an aesthetic machine that was idle to Keumbu sub-county hospital to assist our other patients in the other part of the county. In the policy of decongesting our referral hospital, we are empowering the facilities that are neighboring the referral hospital, that's KTRH. So we sent officers who can carry one machine to be used in Keumbu because we have two machines down at level Nduru, level 4 hospital. So one machine was lying idle and we thought then we make use of it. Unfortunately, we had a confrontation from members of the public who may have misunderstood the intention of government of moving one machine to go and assist Keumbu, which is a sister hospital. And our officers who were sent down there, a number of doctors, were roughed up, were confronted by a crowd that was hostile, and who then were saying that the machines were being stolen. Yet those were officers with the government vehicle, identified doctors and other support personnel. One vehicle was extensively damaged and some officers were injured. And the whole thing took a dimension that did not prescribe to the ethics and the professionalism of the civil service. One, when we realized that the issue has gone beyond people from South Mugrango asking for the machine not to be taken, and had gone to a level that officers, people are begging for the blood of the officers. We realized that it appeared that this was a well-choreographed move to harm our officers. And this is what we've met here to discuss today as stakeholders from South Mugrango and also part of the county to condemn that act, and which our members of the County Assembly will address you. But from the position of the civil service, as head of public service in this county, we condemn with the strongest terms possible that our officers, innocent civil servants who are working, who've been sent to execute a mission that had been sent by the government, were confronted, and we had an incident that we've not seen before in terms of engagement with the public. That is what we have shared today here, and more information will be shared from the members of the County Assembly and also our CC, who will say something, CC for Lands, Mr. Nyakweba. That is the message that we are passing here, that civil servants must be allowed to work in an environment that is secure, that is conducive for them to provide their services. That is the message we are saying, that wherever civil servants are across the county of Kisii, they must feel supported, they must feel appreciated, so they can give the services. We appreciate the role of the national government, security officers who came in to contain the situation. The police came from Kisii, police came from Wetago, from Nyamarambe. We were able to manage that situation. Thank you so much. I think we can allow Sisi to say something small. One word.
Thank you so much again, members of the press. My name, as you have heard, is Ronald Nyakweba. We, as people from South Mugrango, we are equally disappointed on what happened yesterday, where we suspect that our people were incited by some dark forces to harass our officers who were actually went out of their way to do their work, but someone somewhere decided to incite our people to harass these officers. We condemn it. We condemn that action in the strongest time possible, and we wish to request our people down there in South Mugirango that these are the government assets which can be shared across the 9 constituencies in South Mugirango, I mean in Kisii, and government property is government property. It can be used anywhere. The government has got every right to transfer not only the people, even it is property from one point to the other, as long as this property is meant for the noble work that is service to the people of Kisii County. And we want to confirm here as Abagirango that we as the workers, all employees of Kisii County who come from South Mugirango, we want to confirm that we support our governor, we support what he's doing. Abagirango bari babete incited wotaka koleta fucho kwa Mugirango ileta live toko batavinga shetani ashindwe. Shetani afanye nini? Ashindwe. Omugambi to gavana Simbarati means well for Mugirango na kokorera Abagirango egasi abantu abonzi barayiga n'abakore egasi ba South Mugirango banjete gavana yaito. So we will continue working very closely no gavana yaito na ndo gosaba Abagirango baito kamuranche barimo kore egasi no kare egasi sinze mo jonzi yagusi kamuranche mo saririeta tiga tutwara obomo tuanchane tosikaba kore egasi togenderere na ria magenda twanya kore gike komesi Mugirango biamono.
The data population Shabagusi. Niangalia huko. Asante sana. Hamujambo nyote? Jambo. Kwa majina ni Samuel Mauti. Elietariane Mauti Samuel mwimusie Bogetenga wote. Nche una award representative inje nanyorete obwakwo bonene. Abantu nigo barandore gusiyengima nje no muntu gwigisegi lakini bayibamanyete nje no muntu wo murembe. Egento kyabete nje buna nakorita assessment yane. It was communication breakdown insinini nainde naonda atebe ngiginte kene kya nyomba because ngaki the common mwananchi ngaki akomanya nge masini yengo sokere nainde rende nonye kurukare abagusi ekero kwa konyora ngandagere tubwati nabo kwa wasuma bosaba nkori kobe lakirende ekoro kane report etaitete buya abantu baka misinterpret etogo saba abantu aminto babogirango especially Bogetenga tigango to maintain omorembe negende kyo ekenene mono unabona njije mwao no ngitire ngombe no ngitire nchogu ingo nyakoria nchogu eyo na matusi yo nyakonga ndagire ite kuchinda nabo to condemn egente kase eruge nkongusana nainde nke basikoyiroreru botambe to tebanga amagoso ni gakoba amagoso ekero okoyiroreri goso ngaita abantu baminto toche ground toteba ni buya totwara omorembe tokorega hasi n'abagusibande Kisii County ekiagera unabona ntuna botora celebrate una abantu ba Bogetenga masinte chieti nturende kerego togoje kanyonto bwati togo igosaba gosenkorubo basi na botorari no lakirende twasabira okwabera motwabere naende tusabe Nyasaye atigato ato abyengiya nabali baumiete tusabe Nyasaye abagweni amario bakoego bawena Nyasaye yamake mubarikiwe nyote.
Mheshimiwa Chira, anything?
Asanti media the fourth estate asamarieta nero na dachira omo MCO muticho ward ku South Mugirango etwaumira na bagirango bonspi bali bakora kasi ase county ya Bosongo twa condemn gintu kiabete igoro nkiarenge gente kiya lakini rende twikaransire ntumuna bagirango twatebirio mu CS yoito oirwete nande bugirango yu ibuli ku bugirango aikaranse arangiri department chonse bijiri jarenge concern monosane department ya health amanyenga abantu abekero bale gotebania ngakibago kuye machine yeje ngayi information yali kire tuchi asa mwananchi no mwananchi akaba insighted because mwananchi dale koimuka bweka ne mioro atatebiria atarangeiriye tutagete tomanye omuntu yoko o insighted y'abantu andaka barangeri atekaliwe step konyo rueta se county government atekaliwe step ekine giyo gatura lakini ese action iri abete igoro twaye condemniri na ande togete to support ya serikali ye ekolera abantu egasi ase igo mbia mono ase ogocha lero so gotegera mangana bagirango. Thanks a lot.